Do you find yourself having trouble looking for the best deals or offers because you have a bad credit score? Do you experience difficulty because you can't qualify? Many people in today's society find themselves struggling with a bad credit score. A bad credit score can have a serious impact on your ability to get approved for loans, mortgages, and other forms of transactions that require a high credit score. Having a poor credit score can make it much more difficult for you to get approved, especially if you're looking for an unsecured loan, such as a personal loan or mortgage. Basically, having a bad credit history can make it difficult for you to borrow money when you need it the most. In this video, you will learn the following problems related to having a bad credit score as well as their respective possible solutions you can take to solve your bad credit score. Please consider liking and subscribing, especially if you like this type of content. We always appreciate any kind of support. Note that the ideas and suggestions presented in the video are for informational purposes only. Please consult a certified expert first before making any financial decisions. Welcome to EM3 Financial Freedom Strategies, where you learn how to manage your time and money to achieve financial freedom. If you want to know all the juicy details, then make sure to watch until the very end. Before delving into the possible fixes for your bad credit, you have to first do an assessment of your situation in order to determine the cause behind your bad credit score. This will help you determine the best course of action to take in addressing any issues that you might have with your credit score. This means that you must request your credit score report from a credit reporting agency. There are credit reporting agencies that provide credit reports, namely TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Of course, if you can request a report for free, the better. You can visit annualcreditreport.com to obtain your free reports. It is important that you request all 3 credit reports to ensure accuracy in your assessment of your situation. Once you receive your report, take some time to review it thoroughly for any errors that may be contained within it. If you spot any inaccuracies in the report, you can then request for it to be corrected through the credit reporting agency itself. Take note that this is the first action you must always do, because wrong encoded information might just be the problem. If there are still errors after the agency corrects them, you may file a complaint with the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. If the details you provided were left unverified within 30 days, then the details will be deleted. Bear in mind, however, that there is usually a limit to the number of times you can request for the report to be changed in a year. Therefore, you must ensure that the new details you provide are accurate, complete, and factual. Otherwise, your request may be denied. Let's move on now to discuss some of the most common causes of bad credit as well as how to fix them. Number 1. Fixing bad credit due to late payments. You must keep in mind that 35% of your credit score comes from these payments. This means that if you have not made your payment on time, then your score is bound to suffer as a result. If this is the case, then you must make an effort to pay all your bills in a timely manner in order to fix this issue. This must be very obvious, but if you keep paying on time, there are actually opportunities for you to make requests from your creditor that can prevent landing bad credit into your credit score. For example, once your creditor notices your on-time payments, and maybe even advance payments, you might be able to make an agreement with your creditor where you promise to pay in full over a certain period, say 6 months, and in exchange, the creditor must stop putting on interest or at least lower the interest on your monthly payments. Of course, this also includes some luck, but it does not hurt to try. Another thing you can do is to ask for a goodwill adjustment. This is a method where you ask your creditor to remove the negative entry on your credit report caused by late payments. After paying on time for a while, can send them a letter requesting such an adjustment. If the goodwill adjustment was rejected, you can opt to further negotiate to remove the negative entry by opting for auto payment schemes. This also means that you must have enough funds to support this. Number 2. Fix your empty credit history. For those who are without any credit score, having no credit might just be similar to having bad credit. Although having bad credit is definitely worse, having no credit is not good news either. It prevents you from getting loans or credit cards from banks or other institutions where you have to use your credit score to get something you need. Either way, creditors will still consider you to be a risky borrower. What you can do to build your score fast is to apply for a credit builder loan. These loans do not require any collateral from you and are designed to help you build your credit so you can get better deals in the future. You should also consider being an authorized user of someone's credit card. Doing this can significantly improve your credit score since you have someone else's good credit history to rely on when making applications for your own cards or loans. You may also ask to include non-debt related payments on your credit report, such as monthly rent and other bills. Most major credit bureaus usually include this information as part of their reports, but it does not hurt to ensure that it really is included, especially if you have no credit history. Number 3. Fix bad credit due to high credit use rates. Using about 30% of your credit per month is considered high utilization. Credit agencies usually see this as risky behavior, and they may start to increase the cost of borrowing for you as a result. Having too much debt or using your credit card too often can actually negatively affect your credit score. If you have this problem, then the primary fix for you to do is to lower your utilization. Slash off the products and services that you might purchase in the near future that are using up most of your monthly available credit. If it cannot be helped, you can ask your issuer for a higher credit limit. This will help lessen the impact of your high usage rate and give you more space to operate within your monthly limit. If denied, you can consider opening a new credit card so that you can divide your utilization. Hopefully, this video helped you understand how you can go about fixing your bad credit score to improve your credit standing. Fixing a bad credit score may sure look like a challenging task at first, but with the proper knowledge and tools, you can eventually fix your credit and gain good scores sooner than you expected. Now that you've learned more about how to solve your credit score issues, make sure to check out the rest of my channel for more tips and tricks that will help you achieve financial freedom. Please like and subscribe to see more of our content. Feel free to share your thoughts and ideas in the comments down below. If you liked our content, then please check out our other videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.